Hey, what's up wealth factors? In today's video, we're going to be talking about 9.5 passive income ideas that you can start exploring today to make money without putting in too much effort. Passive income is all about earning money without actively working for it. It's a great way to build wealth and create financial freedom. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. 1. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to generate passive income. Dividends are essentially a share of a company's profits that are paid out to shareholders on a regular basis. 2. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can be a lucrative source of passive income. You can rent out a property to tenants and collect rent every month. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a great way to earn passive income without taking on too much risk. 4. Royalties. If you're a creative person, you can earn passive income by licensing your work to others. For example, musicians can earn royalties from their music being played on the radio or being used in commercials. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. 6. High-yield savings accounts. Although the interest rates on savings accounts are generally low, some banks offer high-yield savings accounts that pay much higher interest rates. This can be a great way to earn passive income on your savings. 7. Peer-to-peer car sharing. If you own a car, you can rent it out to others through a peer-to-peer car sharing platform like Turo or GetAround. This can be a great way to earn passive income without having to do any additional work. 8. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, you can earn passive income from sales without having to do any additional work. 9. Create an app. If you have programming skills, you can create a mobile app and earn passive income from advertising or in-app purchases. 9.5. Create a YouTube channel. Finally, creating a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you have built a substantial following, you can earn money from advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. So there you have it, 9.5 passive income ideas that you can start exploring today. Remember, passive income is all about creating multiple streams of income that can generate revenue for you even when you're not actively working. So start exploring these ideas and see which ones work best for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.